And following this announcement, Walz and his commissioners took time to address questions specifically from Greater Minnesota. Fox 47's Cambria Bray joins us now with a deeper look at the mandate. Cam.
Yeah, Maddie, the big point the governor is making is he doesn't want a surge in tickets being written for mask mandate violations. There is a penalty for both individuals and businesses, but the state is also making it easier to comply by providing millions of masks for businesses to give to customers who come in without one.
You know, we don't want to make anybody a criminal. It's not a crime to not wear a mask. And we certainly don't want to put businesses in a tough position. We don't want them to get into battles with folks.
And another thing the state doesn't want.
We're not out for businesses to become the mask police. It is not our suggestion that businesses be dialing 911 every time someone comes in without a mask. There's a lot you can do before law enforcement gets involved.
But the guidelines are clear.
The basic requirements of any business is that they post a sign making clear that this mandate exists, that they communicate with customers who aren't wearing masks to determine why, and if it's not for a health reason, that they ask that customer to put one on for the safety of those in the business and to keep that business open and running.
And despite low infection rates in some rural Minnesota communities, Walz says it doesn't take much for a handful of cases to turn into an outbreak.
And the one thing is that if you don't have that, how are you doing with people coming into your community? And what we also know is that you may not be detecting it yet, but it will eventually be in each of these communities. And so I get it that there's folks that say we're isolated, we're not out here, we shouldn't need to do this.
Now, the state mandate does hold a higher authority than city mandates. And to avoid any confusion, Rochester is expiring its city mandate the same day the state mandate goes into effect. But bottom line is, state leaders say wearing a mask is one step closer to a healthier society.
We know that masks are not a magic solution all by themselves. It's masks in combination with social distancing, staying home when you're sick, good hygiene practices.
Now, Republican Senator Paul Gazelka released a statement today saying, quote, Minnesota mask mandate is a terrible way to support 5 million individuals, end quote. Walz reacted by saying his decision is based on data. Reporting live in the studio, Cambria Bray, Fox 47 News.
All right.